Welcome to Lesson 2 Continued of Graphing. Here will be graphing given a situation. So we will come up with an equation to represent the situation, then use the equation to help us fill out a table of values, and then plot those values on a graph. So we'll follow that procedure for example 1. It says Carl's Cabs charges a flat rate of $2.25 plus $3.50 per kilometer. For an equation where C is the total cost in dollars and K is the number of kilometers driven. So we'll say that the total cost, C, is equal to $2.25, the flat rate, plus $3.50, K, $3.50 per kilometer. So we'll use that equation to help us fill out this table. Now for 0 kilometers, we can just say that that's just going to be the flat rate of $2.25. But for 0.5 kilometers, we'll fill that into the equation. 2.25 plus 350 times 0.5. So it's 225 plus 175, a total of $4. Now for 1 kilometer, 225 plus 350 times 1, which is just 225 plus 350, which gives us 575. .5 kilometers, we can use a calculator to see what 3.5 times 1.5 is, which is 525, for a total of 750. And for 2 kilometers, we'll have 225 plus 7, which gives us 925. Now when I plot this on the graph, I'm going to place the independent variable on the bottom, which is the number of kilometers. And I'll place the dependent on the y-axis, which is the cost in dollars. Now for the scale on the bottom, and spread it out, I'm going to say that every 2 blocks is 0.5. And on the y-axis, I'm going to say that every 2 blocks is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 10. Now the first point we need to plot is 0 and 2.25, which is here. Then 0.5 and 4, 1 and 5.75, 1.5 and 7.5, and then 2, 9.25. Now if we look at C, it asks us if the data is discrete or continuous. So we need that to know if we are going to connect these points. So if we look at the graph, we need to ask ourselves if we can have values in between the ones that are plotted. So can I drive any amount of kilometers in between 0 and 0.5, for example? So can I drive 0.3 kilometers? Yes. Can I drive 0.42 kilometers? Yes. So because I can take on any value, that means that I can join up the points and then say that this is continuous. And then part D asks us if the relation between the kilometers and the costs is linear. So we can look at the graph and see that the straight line can be used to join up the points. Or we can also look at the table of values and see that both the independent and dependent variables are increasing by a constant amount. So for both of these reasons, we can say that yes, this is linear.